Today, again, for the second time, I uploaded this because so much dog barking around in my house. Cook for I have 6 dogs here. I'm sorry for that. I'm just going to share my experience again. Every day, I always step out in my house maybe 6 or 5 in the morning. Then suddenly a white butterfly. This is not only this yesterday, but almost every day the white butterfly flying in my garden. But yesterday it's so different. It flies and settling in my body twice and almost landed in my chest. It's so easy to catch if I did, but I did not. I just let him fly over my body. I can't believe that. Too easy to catch, but I did not. And the repeating numbers almost happen daily. It's just the same. This is a special sign for me. 111, 333, 222, 888, 1111, and even 1212. That is almost daily. But yesterday night, when I watched Chamberson, that's an English movie. A mother is hesitate to believe that her son is not her, so he decided to take a DNA test for her son. And you know the result of the DNA? The son is 1111, 1111, and the mother is 2222, 2222, and the father is 333, 3333. That is the very first time I saw in one paper all the repeating numbers are all together in one paper. Mostly, I I, I encountered repeating numbers just like when I go TikTok 333, the comment total is 333. Sometimes in Facebook, the tennis result, the play is 6666, like that. But yesterday, all together, the repeating numbers in one paper. So hard to believe, but it is true. Sometimes I watch Korean movie, and the plate number is 88888 or 66666 or 99999, like that. Because I really enjoy Korean movies or Chinese movies. And if you believe in manifestation, I do manifest. Even a simple manifestation, it happens. I really don't know why. It really happens. And just yesterday night at around 8 o'clock in the evening, I step out in my house and I see lots of stars. And I said to myself, God, universe, I'm ready. I'm ready for everything. I'm ready to become a healer. This is what I'm dreaming of for a very long time. Because I did this before already in Saudi Arabia to be a healer. Now I'm in the Philippines. I want to be really a healer. You know what happened when I said that? A shooting star fell from the sky. Just second, 1, 2, 3, then shooting star coming. Really, I can't believe it happens to me. That is the second time around that when I ask a shooting star, answer immediately. Thank you for next time I share again.